Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to seaweed egg fried rice. Hope you like it. The seaweed and egg fried rice is delicious, with the salty fragrance of the seaweed and the tenderness of the egg perfectly blended. The rice grains are distinct and the taste is rich, leaving a long-lasting aftertaste. Nori is rich in iodine, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is a natural treasure trove of nutrients bestowed by the ocean. It is very beneficial for strengthening the body and promoting metabolism. Ingredients: overnight rice, seaweed, egg, corn kernels, ginger. Chopped ginger. Adding ginger when making fried rice can remove the fishy smell and enhance the flavor, adding a touch of freshness to the fried rice, making the taste more layered and increasing your appetite. Cut the seaweed into small pieces or chop it directly. Stir-fry chopped ginger until release fragrant. Add overnight rice and break the rice. When frying rice, the rice sticks together because it is too wet or not cooled enough. The solution is to use leftover rice, which has less moisture and drier grains. You can gently loosen them with your hands before frying, or use the back of a spatula to gently press them during frying to disperse the rice grains and achieve a distinct effect. Add corn kernels. Adding corn kernels to fried rice, its natural sweetness interweaves with the aroma of rice, adding a fresh pastoral flavor to the fried rice. Crack an egg into the rice, but don't fry it yet so that it covers every grain of rice. Adding eggs to fried rice not only injects rich protein into this simple dish, but also adds a delicate taste and golden color. The perfect combination of egg fragrance and rice grains makes every bite full of satisfaction and nutrition. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Fried rice usually doesn't need to be cooked too long, as it will dry out or become hard. Generally, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes from the time it's put into the pan to be done. The key is to stir fry quickly so that the rice is evenly heated and the added ingredients are cooked just right, keeping the rice soft and the ingredients fresh. Feel free to add a teaspoon of soy sauce if you don't like it. You don't have to add it because it is already seasoned with salt. The main thing is that I want the fried rice to have the aroma of soy sauce. Fry the rice aside and add the shredded seaweed to make it more fragrant. When nori is lightly toasted, its unique seaweed aroma becomes more intense, releasing a pleasant marine flavor. The crispy aroma of toasted nori not only enhances the taste, but also adds a hint of smokiness, making it a great garnish for dishes. Stir fry evenly. The whole house is filled with fragrance. It looks so appetizing. Plate fried rice. Garnish with more seaweed. In the seaweed fried rice, the unique marine flavor of seaweed permeates every grain of rice, bringing a deep salty and fresh taste. The crispness of the seaweed and the softness of the rice complement each other, creating a rich taste. The whole dish exudes the aroma of seaweed, making people feel as if they are at the seaside, enjoying the gift of nature. Nori is a nutrient-rich seaweed that contains high levels of iodine, which is essential for maintaining a healthy thyroid gland. It is also rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins C, E and B vitamins, as well as several minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium. The antioxidants in nori help fight free radicals and promote overall health, making it a valuable part of a balanced diet. Nori is a good nutritional supplement for the elderly. Its rich iodine content helps regulate the thyroid function of the elderly and maintain metabolism. The calcium and magnesium in nori are particularly important for bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis. In addition, the antioxidant ingredients and dietary fiber contained in nori help enhance immunity and promote digestion, which is of great benefit to the overall health of the elderly. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.